Hi everyone. So guys, how are you doing? I hope that all will be doing great and really hard work for their dreams. So once again, welcome to my new video. And in this video, I'm gonna share something which happened yesterday, and it is really very interesting things. And I thought that I must share these things with all of you. You must know about it. Let me tell you about myself, about my health. That I'm under the weather. I have cold, I have fever, but still I was reading, and while reading books, I thought that I must share something, and I'm sitting in the sunshine. That's why I have put on this dupatta. So let's talk about the point, okay? So yesterday I was using Hybro application, and in that application I connected with a woman, and we were talking in Hindi or English also, but you know we were discussing that which language is tough to learn, Hindi or English. What will be your answer? I know your answer must be uh, Hindi, because we are Indian, and Hindi is our mother tongue, so it is very easy to learn English language. So you must be thinking that it is very easy to learn Hindi language. But guys, here is something. If you think that Hindi is very easy language, anyone can learn Hindi language easily, so you are wrong here, because I think, and according to my perspective, English is very easy language than Hindi language. Because if I talk about Chhattisgarh, so in Chhattisgarh, mostly people, we all speak in Hindi language, because Hindi is our professional language, or we do everything in Hindi language. We share our thoughts in Hindi language. It is our mother tongue. So we all speak in Hindi. But I have talked with so many people who are from other state. Their Hindi is different than our Hindi language. They speak very correct Hindi, and we speak Hindi but not in correct way. They speak very, they use like they sounds natural while speaking in Hindi, but when we speak in Hindi we feel, we sound that we are we are not speaking in Hindi, we are trying to speak in Hindi. Because why does these things happen? There is only one reason, and I have felt these things. I have been using this Hindi language since my childhood, but even right now I speak incorrect Hindi language. How will you will think that how are you saying? So I'm saying, right, I use Hindi language in correct way. Yes, I'm able to put my thoughts in Hindi language, but I don't speak as I must speak. I don't speak as other state people speak. So this is the different. And if you think that it is common things to learn, so not, guys, it is not common things in Chhattisgarh. Mostly people, they're not aware about it, that they must improve their Hindi also. Suppose that I, let me give you any example. So most of the time I have heard about it that गाड़ी जा रहा है, गाड़ी आ रहा है, गाड़ी आ गया है. तो we use Hindi language but not in correct way, not in correct way. यहाँ पे मुझे बोलना चाहिए गाड़ी आ गई है, गाड़ी जा रही है, गाड़ी यही यहीं पर है, तो ये करेक्ट होगा, इट विल बी करेक्ट. बट वी डोंट स्पीक लाइक दिस. वी स्पीक जा रहा है, आ रहा है, गाड़ी खड़ा था. So yes, it obviously it will be very common things for you, but we have been habitual for speaking this type of things from our childhood. So that is why it is very difficult to learn, and I am the one who always find perfection in our language, because it is our mother tongue. And we make mistake while speaking in Hindi. So I don't really like it. I really don't like it. I want to correct my Hindi. I feel very comfortable in English. I don't want to talk in Hindi, but for improving my Hindi language, I need to try to speak in Hindi language also. I'm able to speak everything in Hindi, but आई मेक मिस्टेक, जैसे जा रहा है, खा रहा है, हो गया, मतलब ये कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है, ये मुझे उतना नहीं समझ में आता। तो अगर आप कुछ मेरी मदद कर सकते तो प्लीज़ अपनी पर्सपेक्टिव मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं, सो दैट आई कुड इम्प्रूव माय हिंदी लैंग्वेज आल्सो। ओके, एंड यस, do not compare that, do not think that English is very tough language. Not at all. English is very easy language, because while speaking in English you don't need to focus on what is masculine gender, what is feminine gender. You don't need to focus on this, you just need to use English words. But in Hindi we have to focus that where is feminine gender, where is masculine gender. So we need to focus on this, and this is the main play in Hindi language. Okay, that's why I think we make mistake in our Chhattisgarh. So guys, this was the thing, and from these things you can easily understand that if you know Hindi, so Hindi may be different for someone else, and if you don't know English, so English, just compare that English, Hindi very well, but I don't know. You know, if you don't know English, so I know. So we have to learn everything step by step. As I'm learning Hindi language and English language also. I am trying to improve my Hindi as well as English, and I feel very comfortable in English language, not in Hindi. Okay, so guys, this was the thing that really I wanted to share. And guys, once again I would like to say that please help me to learn this language, to learn Hindi language in correct way, so that I could sound naturally, so that I could sound as I must speak. Okay, so this was the thing that I wanted to share. And if you have learned something from this video, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that we could connect to each other for a long time. Okay, so guys, take care. Bye bye.